the age of 23 years old.
As somebody who grew up in humble beginnings, I can actually see myself in a lot of the learners that we've come out to help. And I really believe that you don't go full second until you help others who are less fortunate. And instead of conventionally wasting money on other things, on birthdays, I really believe that during these times of COVID, we must give support, not only to the child, but to the girl child in particular. And so I have a passion for making sure that people's lives reform for the better. And I really want to share that passion with everybody else. And that's why we're here today.
Thank you very much,
Dr. Amu's donation has a great impact. Firstly, I'll look at the learners first, I mean, protecting the girl child, does not mean that it's lockdown, that their periods have went on lockdown. They are still going through that. And I think the impact that it has, it also gives the girls reassurance that there's people out there who really care. And also for the foundation, it also opened our eyes, to actually try and tap into other projects.
Normally it's women who donate these things for us, but then having to see like a man donate these things for us, it means like he does see potential in us, and it's not every man who wants to harm us and everything. And given the fact that it's COVID-19, like people are saving money, but then he managed to donate, like spend his money on us. It really means a lot. Parents at home can't even provide for us, and now I don't have to go to my mom and say, "Mom, I'm running out of sanitary pads," like because somebody has provided for me. And as a girl, like I feel more secure and happy.
I just want to say that him coming here gave me mixed emotions because I'm sad and happy at the same time. He gave me the impression that there are still men out there that care about us and that would want to stand up for us as women. And he showed that we must comply with the new normal that we are having now. So he's a really great person, and I wish that we could have more of this type of person around us.
I've been dying for a shield, but then because at home they couldn't buy it for me. Now that it's here, I feel like now I'm going to be more safer.
I like the face shield because now I'm just gonna be free from the face mask because I'm having problems breathing.
It's very fundamental and important that people make sure that they heed to the government protocols and regulations of hand washing, proper social distancing, and making sure that you don't go in contact with people who have suspected disease. This thing is real and it's going to get even worse. And I really believe that my efforts as one individual to try and curb that by either giving people PPEs, even at work, offering support where I can, is the least I can do to assist in this time.